Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm eating Chinese glass noodles with creamy carbo sauce with Vienna sausages. These are just mini hot dogs. It looks insane. I've never ever had glass noodles, so I'm so excited for that. And I also have some asparagus. This is baby asparagus with Parmesan and pan-fried lemon. So let me try this first. So good. Back on my Diet Coke kick, guys. Because as you know, I am, on a weight loss plan, and I've lost I've lost a lot of weight. So this is a cheap meal, apart from that. So let's go. You can't beat Diet Coke. I have my chopsticks, which are somewhere. I'm so excited for this, guys. So let's actually get into the noodles. Oh my god. These actually never end. So, oh my god. Wow. Let me go get a bowl. So exciting. Now you can't see that these are actually transparent noodles. I want to show you because the sauce is on them. Can you see? That's kind of disgusting, but whatever. Now I've seen a lot of mukbangers do this video with the carbo. I really wanted to try it. So good. I haven't added a lot of carbo sauce because I don't like things too spicy. So good. Oh my god. So good. So creamy. So good. It's like a spicy carbonara sauce. Hopefully. So guys, I've had my hair done. Can you see? I really, really like it. 26 inches. I've also had my lips done and my botox. The botox won't settle for another a week, so you won't be able to see it. Oh man, it's so good. Help. Guys, guess what? We've hit 14k. Can you believe it? We have hit, or I think we should hit. I think I will by the time I post this. I think I'm like 2 away. But wow, what a milestone. Thank you so much. I love you all so much, guys, for supporting me, having my back. Just so amazing. Getting full. These little Vienna sausages are everything. So good. Please do not butcher me about my chopsticks, girls. I'm not Asian, so I don't really eat Asian food, so I'm not really that great, but I'll try my best. So good. Parmesan gives it such a mellow, like, cheese flavour. Now, I wanted to get the thick noodles, but in England, they're just nowhere to be found. They're on eBay, but they're like $30 with shipping. Such a child. So guys, I'm going to go. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. That tastes insane. It's such a creamy, kind of spicy, amazing sauce. The noodles don't actually, I thought the noodles would taste like jelly, but they don't. They taste really kind of like noodles, like pasta. You wouldn't even be able to think. Let me show you. If I take this off, they're basically clear. You wouldn't even be able to, you wouldn't even think that they were. Can you see? Like clear. They kind of look grey when you clean them, as when you wash them, when you cook them. Anyway, guys, I hope you're all staying safe and well, and you know, doing okay in this quarantine, still quarantine. Let me know in the comments below what you've been up to. Thank you for joining me today. Again, watching this. Let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget as well, I have a membership section on my videos, on my channel, if you want to subscribe. That would be really, really amazing. I post kind of exclusive content, and I think it's about $4.99 to join, and you're going to get lots and lots of content from me, guys. So if you can just support me in that way, that would be amazing. I love you all so much, guys. I hope you have an amazing rest of the day or night, morning, wherever you are. And I'll see you in my next video.